Hello friends, are you facing the knee pain or the cracking sound in the knees? Then this video is for you. If the knee is paining and you are having the cracking sound in the knee, this is the starting of the osteoarthritis. If you apply these two simple points, this can help to prevent osteoarthritis. It is always good to take the precaution before it gets too late. So do take care of your joint and get relief in the pain. The point shown in the picture JD1B is a very good point for all the joints in the body. This point has been given by Dr. Wall, and this is a very effective CMP point. This point will come against the bone. This will be touching towards the bone side. In the center, you can apply a seed, a moong dal seed. The seed will help you to balance that point. Whether the energy is excess or deficient, it will balance out that point. And the second point is stomach 35. It just comes below the knee, towards the outside of the knee. Just below, you will see a small groove. That is the point stomach 35. You can always Google and see the right location and apply one chana dal over there. You can apply one chana dal or black chana, black gram seed over there. Both these seeds can be kept for 6 to 8 hours. You can apply till you have pain on these points. If the issue in the knee is more, then we can add some more points, which I will discuss in my other video. For now, try this and give me your feedback. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you once again, Life Designer Taranpreet Kaur.